Alrighty guys, got hired to do a drive-in cleaning, and they want me to clean their lint trap as well. So there's a lot of lint down there. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. We're gonna go ahead and get access to the duct line so we can start off with the drive-in cleaning first. Alright, since we're doing dryer duct cleaning, drive-in cleaning, we're gonna go ahead and take out both ends so we can get the dryer and the vent itself. And you start off taking these screws off. Sometimes they're zip tied. 9 times out of 10, a lot of these. A whole bunch of different type of brackets, but either way, we'll go ahead and hook these. Start our process. Oh, that one just popped up by itself. And they come for a good reason. Pretty sure the clothes weren't drying at all. Jesus Christ. Go ahead and start cleaning up the ground. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And I know what you guys are thinking. Why am I using a shop vac right now? Well, it's only really one good reason, and that's because the blower, as you see, won't have any space to run that blower up the dryer vent. So I use the shop vac, and I'm using HVAC tape. Yes, I'm aware of that, but I ran out of adhesive tape or duct tape to get that line in there secure. But has some HVAC tape, so why not? Later down the video, I'm gonna have the rods with the brushes right here to get the rest of it that's all caught on the dryer vent throughout the dryer vent. That's kind of that won't be easy just to suck or blow through the line. So we use these right now, and you can use as many extensions as you want. As far as the dryer vent goes, today we're using 3, 4, then we're repeating the process outside. Just from 2 rods and me just scooping it twice, that's all I've gotten so far. I can only imagine the rest. Sheesh. But I went ahead and cleaned it out, used 2, 3 rods, 4 rods, and then repeat the process outside. There's a flapper that's outside always where the lint releases.
Just pull some more. Alright, we're gonna clean out this lint trap. Took about 2 screws. 1, 2. Then I took 2 screws back here. 1, 2 on the other end. Take this off so I can get access to these screws right here. Alright, go ahead and take these off so we can take this latch, this whole front part out, and get access to this so we can pop this out so we can clean the lint trap.
And I didn't add this on the video, but there's also 2 screws on the bottom drawer. If you pull it out, there's a screw on each side.
Made it to this lint trap, and it's not much in here. I told them they really didn't need to clean this out, but heck, why not? Go ahead and clean it out. We'll check back in. Alrighty, took this whole thing out, whole lint trap cleaned out. About to put everything back together so we could go outside and finish cleaning our dryer vents.